In this video, we're going to be practicing common term factoring and using the expression 4x to the power of 5 minus 6x cubed plus 8x to the power of 7. Now, in order to perform common term factoring on this, we need to find out what the greatest common factor of each of those three terms is. That's going to be our common term. So the greatest common factor of each of the numbers, 4, 6, and 8, is 2. And the highest power of x that we can take out of all of those terms is going to be x to the power of 3. It's going to be the smallest one, the smallest of each of those. So what we're going to do next is take each of those terms and rewrite them so that we can clearly see that 2x cubed is a factor in those terms. So 4x to the power of 5, that's 2x cubed multiplied by 2 times x squared, because 2 times 2 is 4, x cubed times x squared is x to the power of 5. For 6x cubed, it's going to be 2x cubed times, in this case, 3 is going to be the number, and x cubed is already taken out, so it's just going to be 3 left there. And 2x cubed for the last term has to be multiplied by 4 to make the 8. And what power of x to make the 7? Well, it's going to be x to the power of 4, because x cubed times x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 7. Okay, next step, we're going to each of those 2x cubes in the line above, we're going to factor that out of each of those terms. And when we factor it out of the first term, we're left with 2x squared. When it's factored out of the second term, we're left with negative 3. And when it's factored out of the final term, all that's left is 4x to the power of 4. So that is common term factoring.